Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 X6. The X6 Sports Activity Coupe has broken all barriers and found itself in a class all of its own and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.